Hi everyone, this is Lisette and welcome back to my channel. A few times I've been requested by my viewers to do something with glitter sheets, and here you go. I decided to do a coffee cup case with glitter sheets. It is big, bold, and beautiful. This will be great to hold your pens, markers, and pencils. So for supplies, you're going to need 2mm white foam sheets, 2mm glitter sheets, poster board, cereal box or cardboard, scissors, hot glue, super tight all-purpose universal glue, ribbon, it is optional, a paper towel roll, and Velcro. Print out your template. I have provided one in the description box below. Trace it onto a cardboard or cereal box and cut it out. You will need a total of 2 templates. Now using the same template, you will trace and cut onto 2 foam sheets and you will glue that onto the cardboard. The next step is measure onto your poster board the width of 3/4 of an inch. This will be a long strip of paper, so you will cut that strip out. You will need a total of 2 strips. And here's Nina, she decided to join us today. Now we're going to cover those strips with a foam sheet. If you have a larger foam sheet, it would definitely be much easier and better. But I only have this size, so I'm going to glue on the strip, fold over, and continue gluing it. Now cut off any excess foam sheets. Here is my strip completely covered. As you can see, I had to do it in pieces, but that's okay. Here is this coffee cup. I already created one side where I glued down the strip onto the cup. I'm going to show you that next. Now put glue on the edge of the coffee cup. And you will lay the strip onto that edge and glue it down. The opening of the strip has to face down. You want it to have a polished and clean look, so the opening will be face down. And I'm only going to curve around the edges of the coffee cup and continue to glue. This is how it should look once you've completely finished gluing down the strip. Now turn over the cup and trace it onto a foam sheet. You would do this also on the other cup as well. Once you're done tracing, you will cut and glue it onto the cup. Make sure that your foam sheet is completely glued onto it, including the edges. Now for the funnest part of all, grab the glitter sheets of your choice and you can trace and cut the rest of the cup. I have included the template in the description box below, so go ahead and piece it all together and glue it. Do you like what you've seen so far? Go ahead and give it a like. I'm going to leave this step completely optional. I found some ribbon in my ribbon stash, of course, and I said this would look great on the edge. So with super tight all-purpose universal glue, I'm going to glue the ribbon onto the edge of the cup. And this is how it came out. What do you think? Do you think the ribbon was necessary? I liked it, but I would love to hear your comments below. So now let's cut a long rectangle. The rectangle is going to be the size and width of the coffee cup. You would glue it because this is what's going to hold it all together. Now let's cut a square. This will be the square that will actually close the coffee cup. You could go ahead and start to glue it. You will also need the Velcro. I decided to secure my Velcro a little extra with some hot glue. Here I trimmed off the edges a bit, just so it could have a little bit of a shape. I didn't like it for it to look so flat or square, so I did this. Now grab a paper towel roll and you will cut it to the size you would like and cut it in half as well. Here I am just going to glue it onto a foam sheet and cut the foam sheet around it. These half tubes will serve as great little compartments for your pens, pencils, and markers. You can make them in whatever color you would like and just glue it down onto the coffee cup. Now here's another idea. I cut a strip so I could hold my Post-it notes. Here I glue some magnets, tape, and cover it up with ribbon just so I could put my paper clips. I do recommend you use a strong magnet. I realized that this was not strong enough, but it's okay. I just wanted to give you the idea. And the last detail, I added a pocket adhesive. It looks like Nina's back. Are you a dog person or a cat person? You could answer in the link above. Don't forget to give it a like. And this case is done. I had so much fun and I hope you did too. It is so pretty, functional, but most of all, I love that it's glitter. Well, thanks for spending your time with me. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Visit my Etsy shop or follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, and God bless.